What's going on, Diz fans? Today we are discussing the recent reports of Disney creating a live-action remake of Hercules. Hercules is officially the next classic Disney movie to get the live-action treatment. In the past few years, Disney has been giving many of the beloved 20th century cartoons a modern live-action twist, and Hercules is no exception. Joe and Anthony Russo, the brother duo who directed Avengers Endgame, will produce the film, while Dave Callahan, writer of the upcoming Marvel flick Shang-Chi and Legend of the Ten Rings, will write the script. At this time, no details have been unveiled as far as the cast, but nearly 14,000 people have signed a petition to have pop singer Ariana Grande cast as Meg, following her widely received portrayal of Meg on the Disney Family Sing-Along special. The singer has stated that Hercules was her favorite Disney film, sparking many fans to assume that she would love to play the part. Judging by its Marvel-centric production team, Hercules will be an action movie with a humorous bent. Many have already hit social media with their fan cast, but there has been a specific interest on who will play the muses. Let us know your fan cast in the comments section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all new Disney updates. Take care, Diz fans, and we'll see you on the next one.